Why didn't I pitch a tent? Oh boy, where am I gonna poop? I don't see any pooping holes. Uh-oh, what happened? Boom. He got you. You're dead. Game over. I don't want anybody hearing me saying, oh daddy, oh daddy, oh daddy, over and over again from that clip. Not I mean. So I'm doing all the. Doing all this for just to try and get video into. Where's that other one hiding? There is a. Or is that just the crotch? That's actually my nose. That's understandable. So for readers coming in, my name's JD. I am a web developer, currently out of work, looking for a job. Oh, Daddy. God damn it. Yes. It's like the bad opening to a Seinfeld joke. What's the deal with the Unity game engine? Does it really unite anything? What's the deal with Unreal? I see it. Is it fake? Are the games fake? Sorry. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Yes. Yes. Please tell me somebody's clipping this. Is he gonna come back? Oh yeah, he's coming back. Oh yeah, he's mad. He's mad. What? Watch. Watch. Watch him. Watch him. Ah, yeah. Get out, fire. My head. It's my head. It's so big. It's like a beehive inside my brain. No, 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 no. And I'm learning game dev using Godot, working on a scary ass bear game. At least that's a goal. I hope that he's a scary ass bear and not a bear with a scary ass. Although, I guess it really depends on his diet, doesn't it? How scary his ass is going to be. I mean, if he's on a Huel diet like me, it's going to be very scary. But I digest. Whoa, no wonder. On backwards. Ease. Sega! It's a winner. It's a winner. Catherine, go ahead. Stretch your legs out. Stretch everything that you need to stretch out. Here, I'll show you how the day is going. Today's going like this. It's like the bad opening to a Seinfeld joke. What's the deal with the Unity game engine? Does it really unite anything? What's the deal with Unreal? I see it. Is it fake? Are the games fake? Sorry. It's as bad as ripping your dick off and throwing it at somebody. Yeah, let's recharge it. Go take a look at our billboard. Fire's out. That means the bear is somewhere near. Some new Cat 6. Or something. Because one of the cables I made is falling apart. Well, not falling apart, but it just keeps getting disconnected from my network switch. At least now I know where to look. Fucking hell. Good morning. Daniel Rivers, welcome in. Good to see you. How are we doing today? Woger got the first. My plan today, same thing I do every day. Try and take over the world. Hope everybody's doing well today. Let's get that music back on. Excuse me. All right. I do kind of want to do a wee bit more on the rhythm game type thingy. Man, my glasses are dirty. Didn't anybody tell me my glasses are dirty? Okay. Go back, take a look at this. So when we left last night, working on trying to get We're trying to figure out how to move note so that it appears on the line at the right time. So we know how long each beat takes. We know how long we want it to take to go from 0 to 100. And we'll have to have some sort of delay on the music. Right? But what I'm having a hard time figuring out is how to move things from there to there. And I'm actually thinking that should be the script for that should be on the note itself, which I'm making each note a path follow 2D. I'm kind of curious. Okay, there we go. That does work, having multiples. Now I'm considering having a singleton to or within the globals, keeping the beat duration and time before start, keeping those within in the globals. Oh, I don't think I even set up an autoloader here. Project, let's set up. Okay, set that up. Sea Conqueror, welcome in. Good to see you. I am awake, already confused, but you know, that's just the way it goes. That's just the way it is. Excuse me. Okay, so global variables. Find and focus, welcome in. Good to see you. It's me right now trying to hype myself to go to work. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, right now I'm considering my job streaming. Streaming is my job. And you know, it'd be great if I could make enough money to live off of doing this because sorry, I'm staring at a bug who is trying to get to a light. LT, I've applied to hundreds of jobs over the past 3 months. Um, but I've been interviewing quite a bit. I had a few interviews yesterday. Still waiting to hear back. LT, yeah, I've been off work since April. Um, so when I'm not streaming, I'm sending out resumes or interviewing or something like that. I doing the math right now. I'm making probably $3 an hour streaming, if even that. Probably closer to two. Uh, but I mean, it's better than nothing. The what I'm making. I don't know. I mean, my so that would be enough to live off of barely. Um, so for transparency, I mean, I don't mind saying my previous job, I was making over six figures. I the hourly rate, the conversion to hourly was probably close to 70-75 an hour, somewhere between there. And uh so for me to maintain, excuse me, that kind of and my standard of living has dropped significantly since I lost my job. But there are other considerations like insurance and things like that um ooh, where I need to take that into consideration, how much to pay for insurance, getting insurance, things like that. Hold on, I'm getting a weird noise from my sound, so give me a second. Okay, that though that's much better. Um, but yeah, I've cut back a lot since I hold on. I got a call. I really need to take this. I'll be right back. There we go. Please. Ah, Sega. It's a winner. It's a winner. I don't want anybody hearing me saying "Oh daddy, oh daddy, oh daddy" over and over again from that clip. Oh daddy. God damn it. Points left. You really want to see me have sacks on stream, don't you? Oh wait. Oh wait. Yes. Fuck it. Say whatever. Unedited first draft. Nobody's gonna care. Ah, and that's how I feel. It's like the bad opening to a Seinfeld joke. What's the deal with the Unity game engine? Does it really unite anything? What's the deal with Unreal? I see it. Is it fake? Are the games fake? Sorry.
Poop.
Where's that other one hiding? Or is that just the crotch? That's actually my nose. Oh, don't come for me. Don't come for me. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, back. And it was not an offer. Um sorry to hear that, Awoger. Feel free to not go into any more detail. I mean, no pressure whatsoever. And LT, let's not try to dig up bad memories or traumas. No. That I understand. I understand. So not an offer. I just need to. It was a request for an update on my resume. So I need to do that really quick. Let's see. I need to. I'm trying. They. So the problem is they want to see every version of Drupal. Um, Even though it's painfully obvious that I've been working in Drupal since 6. Um, I need to clarify that on a resume, and that was just a call from a recruiter to request that I do that. And let me see here. I forgot to do my numbers this morning, like always. Oh, that was actually accurate. Yay! It is a lot different. I mean, everything is built on Symfony, semantic versioning, smooth upgrades, and now we've got the Drupal Starshot project, which is how do we make Drupal, modern and exciting again. Actually, yes, because a lot of government sites are run on Drupal. A lot. I have. I have heard of Civic Plus. Yes. Now my phone is buzzing like crazy here. What the? Oh, nice. Bunch of a-holes. I don't know why I read that in Gold Member's voice from Austin Powers. A bunch of a-holes. Um, Actually, so, I think that they might actually build on top of Drupal. Um, because there are a lot of services. So that's the thing with excuse me, with open source is open source CMS like that is, you know, people can take it and build on top of it. Um, I am curious what they here might be able to see. All the way down to the page, end of the page, making sure that you what does it say? Degree, blah blah blah. I don't have that. Test automation. It doesn't say any kind of like language or anything. Um, so interesting. So I mean, Drupal right now is. I mean, the big. How do I word this? Because I don't want to say like Drupal is like the best thing ever, since, you know, because obviously it's not. Nothing is the best thing ever. There's always room for improvement, and, you know, every system has its own um strengths and weaknesses. Um, but it's definitely more geared towards enterprise rather than like personal blog sites, things like that. Um, and it's grown a lot out of that, you know, personal blog type thing, you know, where WordPress really holds the keys. But like there are a ton of sites built in Drupal that government agencies use, which I'm kind of curious, because this would be let's see. It's cool, and they have their own thing. And it does seem very, very uh government centric. So they probably know what they're doing, but uh yeah, it's very limited. If they built their own thing, there's just that one company that does it. Whereas, you know, it's a bus test. If yesterday, or if tomorrow Civic Plus goes out, gets hit by a bus, or, you know, shuts their doors, something happens, they have to shut down, then what? When you use an open source project like Drupal, then, you know, if your developer goes out, gets hit by a bus, there are thousands of other Drupal developers who can be brought up to speed. Oh no. Yeah, that's always frustrating when you see, oh, wow, that definitely went to shit. And I could have done so much more. I could have been it, it could have been a contender. All right, waiting for that Adderall to kick in. Sour grapes don't make good wine, but they do make good vinegar. And you catch more flies with vinegar than. Wait, no. Forget what I just said. I too many cooks spoil the. Wait. I wonder if we could get away with watching too many cooks. This is true. Actually, our pal Science said that bananas, yeast, and water catch fruit flies.
Like the stream here. I'm like, yeah, it's because if we can direct people over, like if we have this front page carousel, right? Let's lift each other up, and it's
There
the
are lots of different fruit
smallest
flies. A lot of
effort
them are
to
actually
lift
moths.
the other person who's also part of the community and is
String flies, fruit flies,
I tell you every
horse
time
fly,
you've done so
house
much
fly,
of the science on the platform. Like
banana
without
fly,
you, there would be no science on the
potato
platform
fly,
on the stage.
onion fly,
Oh boy.
lettuce fly. No, let
That's
us
not
fly.
true.
I'll let you
still
fly.
be science on this platform. Holy cow! But
In an environment where it's okay to ask questions, that is not politicized, that is welcoming and exciting, I think if you weren't doing it, it would have just died off, or it would become this very niche.
I have one of those little
it could be like almost
black light or
insular
UV
and
light
ivory towery
sticky
versus
traps
like
that you
you've
plug
opened
in.
it up for people to be excited and love for science again. And so
I have used like
just thank you.
a bowl full
I
of
don't know what to say.
soap and
Thank you.
water with some vinegar or with sugar, and then putting saran wrap on top of it and poking holes in it. So when they fly in to get to the sugar, vinegar, yeast water, um, they go through, they drown because there's soap, and soap makes water wetter, and then they can't fly out because they can't find the hole that they came in. Murder Dome. Of course, evolution, and those bugs are going to take over the world. Okay. Oh, I have sidetracked on a tangent of a something. Superfly. No, you're Superfly. Superfly. The only game he know is do or die. Right? That's how it goes, right? Um okay, so looking at or thinking about this, what we need to do is we need to send back to the programming. Oh man. I slept like crap last night, but at least I slept. I mean that's definitely one thing. Yeah, if I don't finish this, then oh no. Well, that's gonna take them. That's gonna take a little bit longer than I wanted to. We'll come to that in a bit. Maybe. Okay, so globals variable var note travel time. Float. There we go. Oh, never mind. It's already doing a thing. Um, no. No, travel time equals. Now, how the hell do we do this? This is where it's gonna be a little bit or a lot difficult because we need to figure out, the number of the note, when it's gonna pop based on when. Oh god, this shit's tough. Um, no travel time, so it needs to travel that amount. I'm having a hard time visualizing this. I'm having a hard time getting my brain my brain foggy, two brain cells to work together on this. Um, let's see if we can visualize it. If we can consider how to make it. Well, what if we... Okay, here's an idea. Within the BPM track, we're getting the beat interval here. And I'm going to play just this scene real quick. Okay. So there is that. Beat equals time times beat per second. So instead of doing it like this int beat, what if we... What if we have a beat counter? Brundlefly. Oh man, that scene where... with the donut. Oh. I'm better. Oh, that's gross, isn't it? Fuck was I thinking? Okay, beat interval, beat per second, bar beat counter equals -4. So we're starting off at 4. Oh wait. Snake. Bar beat counter equals -4. Okay, and we're doing this on beat change. All right, let's play the scene again and let's see if we get that. Yeah. All right, so and then here output latency. Where are we getting the player stream equals song? Where are we getting the length of the song? That's got to be coming from somewhere. Player stream get length. There we go. Hey, Liver Die, what's up? Dog, what's up, dog? Man, I could really go for some devil dogs. It's a place in Chicago that has an Impossible shop in it. Oh man, vegan breakfast burritos the size of your head. Oh yeah. Maybe I think I've got all the stuff I can make some no, I don't have a steamer anymore because my Instant Pot broke. So I've got a t-shirt from a few years ago, like in my pre-vegan days when I was much live or die. Yes, I am. I know you wouldn't believe it by my large frame, but I'll let you out on a secret. Swedish fish are vegan. I'm not as hardcore. I'm mainly do it for health because a few years ago, my doctor, I had some blood work done for like the first time ever, and my doctor took a look and said, "Oh, your cholesterol dead by 50," and I said, "Oh, let's cut out cholesterol." And the best way to do that is cholesterol comes from animals, except for the stuff that you already have inside you. Thanks, genetics. So I went vegan, stopped eating anything with a face. But I'm not quite as hardcore as True, Wilger, true. I immediately dropped like 40 pounds. I was pushing 300 pounds at my tubbiest. But I'm not as hardcore. I mean, I still like honey, and I won't get to that. Or I won't turn that down. I mean, if I can, I'll use agave or something. But meats, not at all. No fish, no eggs. Eggs were a big thing for me because I was eating a lot of eggs. But no, nothing that comes from an animal. I haven't intentionally eaten anything, with the exception of the occasional gummy something or other. But yeah, other than that, I haven't had anything meat. Well, my doctor didn't tell me to change my diet. I mean, he suggested like get some more exercise, do stuff, but the way my brain works is very, very binary. If it's not good, it's bad. There is no in between. It's black and white. And so, went from one extreme to the other. Lots of cholesterol to zero cholesterol. And honestly, I've felt a lot better since doing it. Well, I think. Nothing but gray. just like my beard. And yeah, live or die. I know some great vegan spots around the country. Mostly east of the Mississippi, but Chicago has some really good places. Chinatown in Chicago or Chinatown, San Fran, NYC. Okay, I've only been to a couple spots in NYC. I stayed for a conference I was talking. I stayed in Manhattan, and there was a really good little vegan restaurant right around the corner from the hotel I was in. I don't remember the name of it, but okay. So we have a countdown here. Let's check that countdown again, because did it actually say? Say the -4. We gotta look really close here. Really, really close. Nope. So it doesn't have that -4. It's adding on. There we go. Let's see if we can get this to pop. Okay, there we go. So we need a delay. Or do we need the songs to just have... So this is where it could get slightly problematic to get it to line up, right? So we have the how am I thinking about this? How? Before we can start getting the latency, before we can start getting the time to next mix, before we could get any of that, I believe that it starts playing, or it has to start playing. Now we can verify that. What that script? So we get the next beat time here. But what we need is that like 4-beat delay. Which I believe that we could set that with Ah. Well, there's a couple ways to do it. Like, so okay. Let's go back to old school. Um, I already have Duck Station. No, I don't. So I'm gonna get. I believe I have this runtime already. But ads are gonna start up. Now I know most of the people chatting right now have subs. I'm gonna be honest with you. I gotta poop. So I already have that. So I'm gonna take a break. I will be back in a couple minutes. Do it. Yes, I'll be right back. Let's recharge it. Go take a look at our billboard. Fire's out. That means a bear is somewhere. Check it out. Okay. Flashlight's on. Stun. Is he gonna come back? Oh yeah, he's coming back. Oh yeah, he's mad. He's mad. Watch. Watch him. Watch him. Ah, yeah. Get out, fire. That link, that announcement I just posted, it is the most amazing app for holding all your links for everything. It shows when I'm live on YouTube, shows when I'm live on Twitch, has all the links that I could ever want to share out in one location, and it's so fucking customizable. Absolutely love it. All right, where were we on the music front? Why didn't I pitch a tent? Oh boy, where am I gonna poop? I don't see any pooping holes. Uh-oh, what happened? Boom. He got you. You dead. Game over. Hey guys, yo, what's up? Ayo, hey, check this out. We're gonna go in and we're gonna make some trees today, yo. Don't forget to smash that subscribe. Some new Cat 6. Or something. Because one of the cables I made is falling apart. Well, not falling apart, but it just keeps getting disconnected from my network switch. At least now I know where to look. Fucking hell. Um, I peed. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh. No. Oh. Damn it. I'm going to get you. Fine. I accept my fate. And dead. Sooty's revenge.
Does, we'll call .enter, and then we'll set current state to initial state.
Holy
and then
shit.
next, we can start building out
Bit
our
lytic.
separate states.
God damn
the
it.
first state I'll make is just idle.
Seriously?
Start by making a new script, and I'll just call this enemy idle. Instead of extending node, we'll instead extend state and set the class name to enemy idle. And inside of this state,
I just
we'll have
made the
two
goddamn
randomized
connection.
variables, which are move direction and wander time, and then
I
a
just-
function to randomize those variables. And then when we enter the state, we'll just call that random
Oh, wow.
function. And then the update function should
I just. Oh, don't come for me. Don't come for me. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Boom. 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 That didn't work. No, 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 no. Yes. Please tell me somebody's clipping this. All right, I have returned. And I feel lighter. Um I don't know what I just did. Uh you can't see this. Just for safety reasons. I am doing something perfectly legal. Um BS22A. Japanese, North American, European. CPH 501. Everything I'm doing right now is completely go to the link, find the PlayStation. Okay, let's see. Sorry that I have the blurry going on, but there's a rhythm game that is perfect for showing off, the what I consider one of the perfect rhythm games. Okay, documents, deck station, documents. Um, 1 second here. Almost there. Almost there. All right, all right, all right. I know that was, not exciting at all. But I gotta wait for something to download. I'm not gonna say what, but I didn't get a single, hey, you're blurry, redeem. For shame. Okay, so here's what we got. We have a countdown timer. Hydrate. I can do that. Here. I'll give you the plain old tray. Welcome in, Balint. Nerd by daylight. You're a little bit late. Little late. I already switched it up. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Thank you. Jake Blade, welcome in. Good to see you. Balint, I gave you a shout out not too long ago. So I can't give you a fancy one just yet. I forget what we were talking about, but we were talking about fruit flies and how you mentioned banana yeast cocktail to get rid of them. No, you. No, you. But Jake, I haven't given you a shout out. Ooh, looks like you're playing some what, TF2? Ah. You died. I need to fix that so it does shorter clips. Or cuts off. I thought I had that.
It's too hot to be playing this.
But either way, Jake, good to see you. Oh, Jake Blade. Got something to show you. I need to do another video, another tutorial, especially since we did the Terrain 3D came out with an update like right after I put out my tutorial on it. But I'm getting there. Of course, the real challenge is getting there to freaking 3,000 or 3 million shorts views. I don't see how I'm going to get to 3,000 anytime. I mean, if I look at the analytics, no, but I'm sure that if I can figure out, I mean, if we get some good clips or something, or even if there's a, here, let me show you this thing. If I get to something where I feel like, hey, I got something to say that can look great as a short. That's just going to look amazing as a short. Give me a second and I'll say it.